Kahit ano pa nakaraan mo, walang sino mang makapagbabago. Tapat ang pagmamahal ko sa'yo, giliw ko. Kahit ano pa sasabihin nila, hindi tuwad lang sa hangarin ko. Wagas na pag-ibig, sigaw ng puso ko. It's late in the evening. She is wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long blonde hair. And then she asked me, do I look all nice? And I say, yes, you look wonderful tonight. We go to a party and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady was walking around with me. And then she asked me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes. Then the wonder of it all is the thing that is the truth. How much I love you. Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo, yoo-hoo. It's time to go home now. And I've got an aching head, slightly for the car keys. And she helps me to bed. And then I tell her as I turn out the light. I see my darling, you were wonderful tonight. Oh my darling, you were wonderful tonight.